Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about virtual machines. So what actually is a virtual machine? Virtual machine is a software that allows us to install multiple operating system on our computer. Going by the definition of virtual machine, it is a computer resource that uses software instead of a physical computer to run programs and deploy apps. So one or more virtual guest machines run on a physical host machine. What does that mean? That means that virtual machines allows us to install as many operating system as we want, depending upon whatever space you have on your disk. I can install Linux, Ubuntu, I can install Linux Kali, I can install Windows as well. In this tutorial, we are going to install VirtualBox. We are going to use VirtualBox as our virtual machine. So let's see how to install VirtualBox on our Windows machine. Open Google Chrome, search for VirtualBox here. Open virtualbox.org. On the left hand side, you see downloads option. Now I'm using Windows machine, so I'm going to use Windows host platform. As you can see, the VirtualBox is getting downloaded. Okay, now go to the download folder where you have downloaded the VirtualBox exe file. Double click on that. Click on yes. Click on next on the welcome screen. Make no changes here and click on next. Proceed with installation now. Yes. Of course, yes. Install. Now the VirtualBox is being installed on my computer, on my Windows computer. It will allow me to access Linux machines so that I can have multiple operating system installed on my computer. Let's start it. Okay, so the next step we have to download a Linux machine on this particular VirtualBox and let's see. Now we will download the Linux operating system. Now, in order to show you that we can really configure multiple operating systems on VirtualBox, I will install Kali as well as Ubuntu. Both are Ubuntu. Oh, sorry, both are Linux versions. And let's install that one by one. Let's go to kali.org first on your Chrome browser. Go to the downloads option. Now we have installer images and then we have virtual machines. Let's download the virtual machine. Which one? It will give us three options: VMware file, VirtualBox file, Hyper-V file. Since we have installed VirtualBox as the virtual machine, so we are going to download this file. Click on download. As you can see that our Kali Linux file is getting downloaded. So let's wait until it is downloaded. So now that you have downloaded, you can go to the folder where you have actually downloaded the file. I downloaded that on my desktop, so here's the file that I just downloaded. I need to unzip this file now. This is a zipped file, so I will right click, open with 7-zip file manager. If you don't have this application installed on a computer, just Google it and download it. It's very easy to download and install. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. So let's extract this file, the one that we just downloaded. Click on extract. Okay, it is extracting now. Just allow it a moment. And that's it. The Kali Linux machine has been extracted. The Kali Linux file you just downloaded has been extracted. Just open this extracted file and see what are the contents. As you can see, we have two files here: the virtual machine, the VirtualBox machine definition, and VDI, the virtual disk image. You don't have to do anything here as of now. Just close this window and open VirtualBox now. Now on your VirtualBox, click on Add and navigate to the folder where you have extracted the file, the Kali Linux file. Okay, I'm going to click on Open now. We can see on the left hand side we have Kali Linux machine installed. It's powered off right now, so I'm going to click on Start to power it on. So it's powering on now. Powering VM up. Allow it a moment. Okay, click on Show. You can see the login screen soon. You will see the login screen soon. We will get some system messages here: loading Linux, loading initial RAM disk. Just bear with me for a moment. It's booting right now. Okay, it's coming up. Here is the Kali logo. And here we go. We get the login screen. So when you install a Kali machine, the default ID and password are both Kali here. You can definitely go ahead and change that. I will show you how to do that. But first of all, let's try to log in with the default ID and password. Okay, looks like I am in. So this is the Kali interface. Once you log in, it will show up like this. Let me adjust the display. I'm going to adjust the resolution to 16:9 and then click on apply. We will keep this configuration. So in this video, we downloaded VirtualBox, installed it, then we downloaded Kali Linux, we unzipped that file, and then we configured our VirtualBox to make sure that our Kali Linux machine is up and running. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu, uh, Ubuntu machine on a VirtualBox. So please stay tuned. And if you have any question, just drop a note to me. Just drop a note for me in the comment section, and I will definitely make sure that I will take some time out and answer that. And if you like that video, please click on the like button and then make sure that you subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you again.